And as my colleague Kamalka was pointing out, the war was only escalating between the TMC and the BJP. Now the BJP's Amit Malviya has taken to the platform X, where he has said, and I quote, life imprisonment and a 50,000 rupee fine for Sanjay Roy, accused in the Arjikar rape and murder case, is a travesty of justice. The verdict must be appealed. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee must stop shielding the criminal, is the pitch coming in from the BJP. Agencies also need to investigate the role of the then Kolkata Commissioner and the Chief Minister in the destruction of evidence. Justice must be done. Justice must not only be done, but must also be seen to be done, is the pitch coming in from Amit Malviya of the BJP. Kamalka continues to be with us on the broadcast. So Kamalka, exactly what we were talking about, BJP now taking this line of attack that the CBI, when it got the case, when it started its investigation, it was handicapped from the beginning, given the charge coming in from the BJP that there was destruction of evidence by the Kolkata police controlled by the TMC.
Today, they did not say anything yesterday. One day before, when the judgment came in, they said that they are asking for capital punishment, but they were not happy because they believed that more than one person was involved. Today, it was absolutely mum parents. They went out, they did not say anything, but they said in court that they don't need money. What they need is justice. So this is the situation right now here in outside Chialda court. Sometime from now, Sanjay Roy will be taken out. That is another development that's going to come, and the people out there, they are protesting on one other side. But here, definitely, as we were talking about, the politics was taken its turn. Mamata Banerjee clearly unhappy with the judgment and pointing it out that had it been Bengal police or Kolkata police, then execution would have taken place, that judgment would have come. And there are certain cases, like last week also there has been one case in Hooghly, Gurap, where 53 days capital punishment was given by the court, and that was under West Bengal police. So clearly...
Right, Kamalka, I'm sorry to interrupt. I'm joined by Riju Datta of the TMC on the broadcast. Thank you, Mr. Datta, for joining us on CNN News 18. Your reaction to Amit Malviya's attack that the CBI was handicapped from the beginning, that there was destruction of evidence at the hands of the Kolkata police?
No, I'm not going to react to what Amit Malviya is saying. He's a nobody. But what I am going to say is, I'm just going to put my point across. The point is that in last 3 cases of brutal rape and murder that was investigated by West Bengal police, namely in Farakka, in Gurap and in Joynagar, in 50 to 52 days, we have secured death penalty for all the animals, the perpetrators of the crime. However, in this Arjikar case, where the accused was arrested by Kolkata police in 12 hours, after 162 days of a long investigation, CBI cannot prove to the honorable judge that it's a rarest of rare case, and they even couldn't get the capital punishment or the death penalty. It's a complete failure. It's a complete failure because animals like this deserve exemplary punishment, and Aparajita bill that was passed by the West Bengal Legislative Assembly is the need of the hour, is once again proved.
Right. And Mr. Datta, but the charge also coming in from the BJP camp is that there was no cooperation coming in from the Kolkata police when it comes to gathering of evidence, securing the crime scene, saying that when it comes to getting the death penalty for Sanjay Roy, they were anyway, on the back foot when it comes to the gathering of evidence. Your reaction to that, those charges coming in against the TMC? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
I'll give you a clear answer with that. Firstly, today, Mamata Banerjee and Kolkata police stands vindicated, and the people who did vulture politics over this stands exposed. But when they are saying that the BJP camp, the so-called BJP camp is saying that the police did not cooperate with them, I am sure your viewers will also agree with me that nationally, whenever CBI gets a case, it is normally after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or in some cases after years, the cases are handed over to CBI. But here in this particular case, the case was handed over to CBI after 96 hours. After 96 hours getting the case, if they cannot solve it, if they cannot acquire capital punishment, if they cannot prove to the court that it's the rarest of rare crime, then CBI should sell a handkerchief outside Chialda station. What else they can do then?
Right, fair enough. So that is the attack coming in from the TMC, saying that this is a failure of the Central Bureau of Investigation when it comes to investigating this case after the Sialda court has ruled that this is not the rarest of rare cases, now handing the life imprisonment penalty to Sanjay Roy. Thank you for joining us on the broadcast.